Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to learn about a very cool sensor called the touch sensor. As the name says, this sensor works when we touch it. It is just like the screen of your mobile phone or tablet. When you touch it, the phone knows where your finger is. The touch sensor works in the same way. Before we begin, don't forget to watch all the previous tutorials through the link provided in the description. Now, let's connect the entire circuit. This is what a touch sensor looks like from both sides. Now, we will place our touch sensor like this. We will connect all three wires into these three lines. Now, we will connect the ESP32's ground to the touch sensor's ground. Like this. And now, we connect the ESP32's D4 pin to the touch sensor's I/O pin. Like this. And finally, we connect the ESP32's 3.3 volt pin to the touch sensor's VCC. Like this. Now, our circuit is complete. This is how our complete circuit looks. You can also take a screenshot of it. Now, we will connect our micro USB cable between the ESP32 and our computer. Now, let's open the Arduino IDE on the computer. Now, simply copy the code from the website. Now, let's go through the code, line by line. The first line is, int touch pin equals 4. Here we are telling the ESP32 that our touch sensor is connected to pin number 4. Next line is, int LED pin equals 2. This means our LED is connected to pin number 2 on the ESP32. Now we go to the setup part. In setup we write, pin mode, touch pin, input. This means the touch sensor will work as input, because it gives signals. Then we write, pin mode, LED pin, output. This means the LED will work as output, because we control it. Finally in setup, we write, serial, begin, 115,200. This opens the serial monitor on our computer, where we can see messages from the ESP32. Now comes the loop part. First, we write, int touch value equals digital read, touch pin. This means, read the value from the touch sensor. If we touch it, the value will be high. If we don't touch, the value will be low. Next, we use an if condition. If touch value equals high, this means, if the sensor detects touch, then do the following. Inside it, we write, serial, println, touch detected. This will print the message touch detected on the computer screen. Then we write, digital write, LED pin, high. This turns on the LED. If we don't touch the sensor, the else part will run. Serial, println, no touch. This prints no touch on the screen. And, digital write, LED pin, low. This turns the LED off. At the end, we have, delay, 200. This makes the ESP32 wait for 200 milliseconds before checking again. Now, just verify the code by clicking on the verify button. Our code is verified, which means we can now upload it. Our code is uploading now. As you can see in the video, if we touch the sensor, the LED on the touch sensor and on the ESP32 board will start to blink. On your computer, in the serial monitor, it will show touch detected. Otherwise, it will show no touch. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.